Here I'm going to show you about the Yabano Espresso machine. Stay till the end to see how it's used. This machine comes with a water tank cap, removable milk frother tube, detachable funnel device, removable drip tray, glass cup, and a temper. This device is easy to operate and has a built-in milk frother. This device makes 4 cups of espresso, heats up very fast, making a latte in under 5 minutes. Small and compact with dimensions of 5.9 inches in length, 9.1 inches in width, and 13.4 inches in height. To use, you will add water to the water tank, then add coffee grounds in the filter and tamp it. Next, you will install the portafilter to the machine and make sure it's fully locked. Close your water tank, turn knob to express, and machine will start to brew. Once brewed, you can make any drink of your choice with this velvety, yummy espresso. Enjoy!